Hey y'all, it's Andy at Muscle in the Mountains. I am here at the Fall Rod Run in Pigeon Forge, and this is video number 3. Once again, you don't have to watch these in order, just be sure you catch them all. And so if you've not seen 1 or 2 or both, you can catch those after this one and pick up there. But we're gonna walk around, see what we got. This video is gonna be walking up and down the strip here at Pigeon Forge. There are so many great cars. It's just incredible. Check out this Nova gasser over here behind me. This is the Bossa Nova. That's too cool. All right, guys, let's see what we can find. Check this out, y'all. This is the Bossa Nova. Huh? It's a Nova, what is this, 63 or 4 maybe? Gasser, so cool. We got a phone number, folks. This thing is for sale. You could start drag racing today. Maybe tomorrow. Chevy 2 Nova. Check this out. Can't fix stupid. Amen. So according to that tag, it's a 64 Nova. I knew it was somewhere in there. 3 or 4. This is sweet. I love a gasser. Old school hot rod drag racer. This is awesome. Check out the exhaust. Huh? That's sweet. Tough ride. Tough ride. I don't know if this is for sale or not, but anybody looking to get me something for Christmas, I'll take that right there. I need me one of those. Yeah. Hey, y'all, check out this 78 Z28. Very cool. As I've said many times, one of the coolest cars around in 1978 for sure was the Camaro Z28. Pretty cool. Love it. Love it, love it. So yeah, this awesome 55 Chevy Bel Air. That is sweet. Good looking ride. Very custom interior. And nice. Super nice. I'll bet. Okay. Wow. Hello. 140 grand. This can be yours, folks. Huh? For a mere $140,000. There's the number. All right. This car is awesome. Who needs a house when you can have a 55 Bel Air, right? It is a sweet car. It's a sweet car. Highly, highly customized resto mod 55 Chevy. That's sweet. Now, look over here at one of the prettiest Fairlanes I've ever seen. GTA with the 390. This is a 66 Fairlane, y'all. And it is smooth. I mean, look at that. I even love the color. 66 Fairlane GTA. I always liked those wheels too. Let's see, this thing might be for sale, y'all. Here you go. Yeah. 48K. That's a car worth having right there. That for sure is. Very nice. Very nice. I like that. Yep. Good looking Fairlane. Couple of good looking pickups. There we go. It's for sale. 69. Nice. Very nice. All kinds of vehicles at Rod Run. Yep. Very cool 54 Chevy. I tell you, there's very few cars, I think, out there that changed more in 1 year than the Chevy did from 54 to 55. These are very cool. Very cool. And nice square body sheet C10. It's for sale. Folks, this thing is 16K. Huh? There's the number. Very nice. Kind of like that truck, to be honest with you. Anybody need a rollback? 21,000. There it is. It's a big one. Take this forward. Nice. I do believe that's been chopped a little bit. How low that top is. Very cool pickup. Very cool. It's a 41 Ford. They're asking 48.9 for it. You can read sideways. There's the sheet. You can go ahead and pause it. I like the old wheels. That's a pretty cool truck. Lots of stuff here, old and new and in between. That's an 03. Nice. It's out, folks. How cool is this? That's one serious rat rod right there. That exhaust. It's a 37 Ford rat rod for 18.5. Pretty cool. I love this vehicle. This thing was parked right here in this exact same spot last year. Very cool. 65 Mustang. Very nice. Check this out. You don't see too many of these now. This is a 65 Chevelle Malibu. It's a 4-door with a late model engine, 5.3 LS, asking 12.9, 4-door patina 65 Malibu. Pretty wild. Another cool rat rod. Pretty nice. Excuse me, ma'am. Miss, can you help me? Oh, never mind. He'll be all right. 38. It's a 38. Cool pickup right there. It's nice. Check this out. 69 Camaro Z28. Check out this engine. Yeah. LSX 69 Z28. RS headlights. That thing's bad. Yeah, that's bad right there.
That's what I said too.
Nice. Some cool pickups. See this 55 Chevy. That thing is sweet. Okay, now that's nice. Heck yeah. This y'all's? That is awesome, guys. I think that's about the most reasonably priced car I've seen. Look at this. 55 Bel Air. 24.5. The new 350. I mean, that thing is nice. That is nice. I even like the color. You know, you couldn't go get a new car of any kind that would be near this nice for 24.5. That's a beauty right there. I like that. Very nice. There it is once again. Who wants it? The number's in there in the white. All right, y'all, check out this convertible Buick. Invicta. Buick Invicta. I like all that blue interior. Check out that dash. Very cool. So, I don't know these at all, to be honest with you. I'm just going by the styling of it. What is that, a 61? Maybe? I don't know. Who knows? Leave me a comment. Tell me what year this Buick Invicta is. As it is sweet. Tell you one thing though, it is for sale. $39,500. Power top. There's the phone number. Buick Invicta. Baby blue. It's nice. I got Monte Carlo SS. Somewhere in the 80s. Nice. Check out this. Huh? How's that for a 67? 67 Charger, folks. Isn't that gorgeous? White top. Blue. Yeah. That's sweet right there. Where's my Mopar fans at? 383 1967 Charger. That's gorgeous. Y'all see what I see from here? Tell me. Do you see what I see from here? Look at this Mustang. Now, I mean, that Camaro is gorgeous. Yeah, 68 Camaro is awesome. Look at this. Huh? Yeah. That'd make you giddy right there. That is sweet. Look at this. All right. Look, that's a 67. Wow. This thing is done right. That is gorgeous. Look at the side. Look at the exhaust. Dude. Hey y'all, it's Andy, Muscle in the Mountains, and I am here at the Fall Rod Run Pigeon Forge. Check out this gorgeous 67 Mustang Fastback. This is a Shelby Tribute, and this thing is just incredible. How you doing, brother?
Good.
Good. Now tell me your name again.
Sean Davis.
Sean. Yeah, so you guys built this car, right?
Yes, me and my uncle.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So tell me what you got here and what all you did.
It's complete. The only original metal left on the car is the roof and the firewall.
Okay.
It's 98% movie correct.
Wow.
Just a lot of love in it.
Right? I love the exhaust. That really tells it right there. Now, this interior is fantastic. Very cool. Got the nitrous switch on the floor. That's awesome. So tell me about this engine, brother.
408 stroker. She's producing about 615 horsepower.
Okay. Fantastic.
Factory air car.
Oh yeah.
T5 transmission.
Awesome. Yeah, that looks great. That almost makes you want to go watch the movie, don't it?
I've watched it enough.
I bet. I bet you had to, didn't you?
I wore out a DVD, pausing it.
Man, it looks right. That's just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Love the lights, love the grill. Just everything. That's just sweet. Very, very cool. I bet it sounds good.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Awesome.
And wake up the neighbors.
All right, y'all, we're in for a real treat. We're gonna start this baby up. Oh yeah. Pumping her up. Oh wow. Yeah. That's the beast right there. Nice. Nice. Sounds great. Yes, sir. Awesome. Yeah, that's sweet. One gorgeous, gorgeous Mustang. Love these 67s.
Yes, sir.
And you have really done this one well. Looks great.
Thank you.
Looks great. Thank you for talking to us.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for showing us your car, brother.
Yes, sir.
See that 68 Mustang. It's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Check this out. Dodge RT. Very nice. '67 Corvette. 46.5. Very nice. Check out this 66 Chevelle. That's sweet. Yeah, that's tough right there. Nice.
Where's the Hemi hat all the time? Where's the chair? Oh, yeah. You got the number? I can't think. What's the boy's name?
Yeah, this 66 is sweet. This is sweet. I know we got a lot of 66 Chevelle fans. This can be yours, folks. I mean, if you want a 66 Chevelle, there you go. 68.5. This has got a 427 in it, 4-speed. Power steering, power brakes, AC, 4-wheel discs. It'll be fun to drive. Good looking pickup for sale also. 65 Chevy. And check out this 68 Camaro. Huh? That engine looks really good. I can barely see it, but boy, it looks good in there. There's the 68 Camaro. There you go, folks. 58.5 on the Camaro. Nice. Check out this 51 Chevy pickup. It's a good looking truck. Good looking truck. 72.5. A really nice looking truck. Good looking Chevy. That's the El Camino. Can't tell you those years. Well, 95 GMC. A Ram pickup. Folks, this Ram, 89 Dodge D100, $3,950 for the 318. There's your number. Under $4,000 for a pickup. Look at this. Yeah, Biscayne. Chevy Biscayne, 1960. That's pretty. So pretty. 59.9. Look at this interior. That's a nice car. Look at can you see the flake in that paint? Might not show up good on the video, but boy, it looks good out here. And then we got this one. Malibu. According to those tail lights, I believe that's a 65. Look at this. Wait a minute, it might be 64. Yeah, it's 64. Sorry. Maybe I need my Chevelle Spotter's Guide. 64 Chevelle Malibu. Nice. Folks, for sale or trade, you don't see too many 64s, that's for sure. And it's pretty beefy in there. This is a 64 Chevelle Malibu, for sale or trade, $37K. And check it out, 55 Chevy. 55 Chevy, that's pretty. Nice. That's a beast of a Studebaker right there. Bike for sale. $3,900 for Harley. Check this out. Chevy 2, 1965. Pretty car. Nice. 65 Chevy 2. Check this out. Pretty Chevy. Nice. I believe I see a 66 Chevelle over there. I do. Yeah, cool. Yeah. Cool Chevelle. Looks like it's pretty original. Now check this out, folks. 66, 4-speed, 33, the best offer. Cool car. Late model GTOs, 2006, I think. Okay. Good looking car. 37 Ford Cabriolet. Nice. Check it out. Impala. Seller trade 21.5. What is that? 64? 5? I don't know. Help me out. Help me out. 40. 30 Ford. Check this 67 GTO convertible. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. True GTO says matching 400, 49K. Convertible. 67 GTO. 4-speed. So y'all have heard me talk, if you've watched many of these, about the Corvette bumpers and the change in year. So this is the missing link year of Corvette Stingray, because you got no front bumper, but you've still got a rear chrome bumper. So in 72, they still had both bumpers. The 73, you got a rear bumper, but not a front one. Cool car. 73 Stingray, 37.5. There it is. 66 Mustang. Very pretty. Nice. It's got 289 badging. It's a fastback car. It says it's got a built 302. You got some Shelby parts there. Love the fastbacks. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, very cool. Cool little Mustang. 66 fastback. Yeah, that's a pretty Camaro right there. 69 Camaro. 300 horse, 350 turbo fire. This car is for sale. 58.9. Pretty white interior, white vinyl top, 4-speed. That's nice. Very nice. That is 67 Chevelle, 396. 68.9, 4-speed, vinyl top, redline wheels. Redline tires, sorry. Rally wheels. That's nice. Love the taillights on the 67s. Very cool car. Nice pickup. Convertible Corvette. Check this one out. That's nice. Check out a 66 Chevelle. That's pretty. Yeah. For seller trade. 65.5. That's nice. I like that color. Looks good in the sun. $28.5. 06. That's nice. The Monte Carlo SS. All kinds of cool rides here at the Rod Run Fall 2023. Great stuff. Very cool pickup. Nice. Pickups. 4,500. Isn't that nice? 66 Chevy. Very cool. I like the flag. Love the color. That's awesome. This Chevy Golf truck. Check out that Bronco. That's nice. I like it. Here's a mean ride. Check out the exhaust. Wow. Sneak up on this one. Sweet little Chevy 2. Parked in a difficult place to get to. It's nice. What is that? 64? Around in there? Somebody leave me a comment. What year is this Chevy 2? Good looking Pontiac Trans Am. 6.6. That's nice. Good looking car. What is it, 76 maybe? At the 455. There you go if you want it. 27K I think it says. It's a pretty sweet car. Yeah. Now this one's a little newer, right? Who knows these Trans Ams well? Anybody? That's pretty. Nice. So this one has the 4 squared headlights. The other one was the single round. So leave in the comments what year is the black Trans Am and then what year was the red one. That's awesome. Couple of cool Mustangs. Now that's sweet. Wish it was sitting in a better place to be able to see it. That's awesome. Love the flames. Man, that is low. Awesome ride. Awesome ride. Very cool. Ford Ranchero 10750. Wow. There's 40 Ford. There you go. '61 Olds, 14.9. Check out this Caprice, y'all. 396, 325 horse. What was that, a 68 Caprice? Something like that. Blue interior, looks good. It's a cool car right there. You don't see something like that every day. That's crazy. Awesome. Check it out, folks. 65 convertible Malibu SS. One of the coolest Chevys ever made. There it is. Whole write-up about it. 55. Asking 55K. Very cool. All right, y'all, check out this little AMX Javelin. It says first year of Javelin made. What was that? Was it 68 or 7? Check this red, white, and blue interior. That's awesome. There we go. 36K. Look at this. Pretty cool Javelin right there. I like it. Good looking 69 Camaro. 1984 C10. And check this out. Roadrunner. What year? What year? Like, tell me in the comments. I'm not gonna tell you. I'm just gonna show you this right here. What year is that Roadrunner? Anybody? Leave in the comments. Good looking 71 Nova. Very nice. 67. Check this Catalina. That's a big old house right there. Very cool. 66 Impala, folks. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, that's nice. It says 65 there on the. Why did I think it was a 66? I'm not sure. Yeah. There you go. You can complain about me in the comments. 65 Impala. That is 67 Chevelle. 396. Very nice. Beautiful car. Beautiful car. Cool pickup. Check out this Coronet 440. Wow. Yeah. There you go. That's a tough car. So, 1970. In the Coronets and the Super Bs, the only one that have the B-wing grill. Some people call it like the angry eyes. This sucker's for sale. There it is. It says needs nothing. It's nice. Check out this 67 Chevelle.
Yeah, I don't know.
Isn't that nice?
So I ain't gonna put that long. I called every car company that does anybody that had it.
A good looking 67 Chevelle. Nice. And Ford Ranger, somewhere around a 70 model. Very cool. Hey y'all, check this out. Asking 19.5, it's a 69 Chevy Kingswood. There you go. Good looking 65 GMC. Ooh, check this out. 64 Chevy Malibu. Chevelle Malibu. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, that's nice. Good looking 64. 54 Chevy. Very cool. And right next to a 57 Chevy. Nice. Uh-oh. All right, check this out, y'all. Where's my Mustang fans? This is a 70 Boss 302. Everything I can tell about it says that's original paint. '70 Boss 302. Check this thing out. Got the shaker. Isn't that tough? Look at that. Yeah. Here's the bill of sale, folks. Boss 302 Mustang. $3,581. 3,500 bucks in 1970. Yeah. That's gorgeous. Pretty Bel Air. Asking $35K. Nice looking Chevy. Is that a Biscayne? Nice. 65 Mustang. Other than the paint, that looks about like my first car. Good looking car here, folks. 64. What's that? Yeah, thank you. I'll show that in just a second. It's 64 Chevy 2. 4-speed. Isn't that nice? Yeah, that's a cool car right there. Very cool car. For sale. It could be yours. There's the number. Nice. See how this Bonneville. 1960. 15K. Cool Bonneville. And Oldsmobile Super 88. Sweet. Very nice 56 Chevy. Nice. There you go. That's pretty wild right there, brother. Pretty wild. All right, check out this, y'all. 57 Ford. We've been seeing 57 Chevys all day. That's the first 57 Ford today. Isn't that nice? That's pretty cool right there. 47.5 or best offer. Good looking 57 Ford. All right, y'all, one of the coolest finds yet. 63 Mercury Monterey. Look at this back window. Isn't that crazy? Look at this interior. 1963. Mercury did some wild stuff. Mercury Monterey. Look at this trunk. Yes. So this is a 1-bedroom with so 1963 Mercury Monterey Custom 406. And this one has 2 4s. Dude. Yeah. Pretty cool. And check out this 26.5. Pretty wild car right there, folks. Pretty wild car. All right, Mopar fans. Here we go. 70 Dodge Dart Swinger. Check it out. Check out this hood. Yeah, that's pretty cool right there. Nice. Pretty wild Nova. Let's walk around, see what we got. Some crazy paint. 71 or 2. Pretty cool. This 70 Mustang. We got Boss 302. Isn't that sweet? Yeah, it's a good looking car right there. Good looking car. Love that style stripe. Boss stripe. Nice. She got this Chevy too. Nova. Pretty cool. What year is that? I know it's pre-65. See what this sheet says right here. 65. 20K or trade. Check it out. This one has transmission on tap. The side pipes on that Cobra. Pretty cool. It's a good looking car. Good looking car. Fairlane Ranchero 390. That would be a 67, I do believe. It's for sale. Pretty wild. Don't see any of these ever. Ever. Yep, 67 Ranchero, 28K. Pretty cool. All right, y'all, he's gonna start up this 390 Ranchero. Let's hear this thing. There you go. 67 Ranchero with a 390. 28K. Yeah, it's pretty cool right there.
Are you gonna put them on YouTube?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you?
Right there brings back high school memories. For me, this is an 89. Looks just like that's the high output 5.0. Nice. Very cool. Check out this 70 Roadrunner. And a convertible. Got the dust trail stripe going. Look at that interior. Looks good, folks. I like the orange on these Roadrunners. Very cool.
It's probably
Check it out, 68 Firebird convertible, 400. That looks nice.
is it a power top or?
Now here's a group of cars, folks. Look at the tires on the back of that Camaro. 69 Camaro Z28 drag car. Check it out. Yeah, roll cage going on in that one. Pretty tough. And then convertible 70 Chevelle 454. Nice. Look at that white interior. Looks good. Like the stripe. Gotta love these 70 Chevelles. Probably the most popular Chevelle ever made, I guess. I mean, there's a lot of argument for the 66 and 7, but 70 is very popular. And speaking of 66 and 7, can you tell me which one this is? That's a 66. Super Sport 396 badging. Cool car. Nice. And another 70. Hardtop. Good looking hood. Isn't that nice? Good group of cars. Some cool rides. Look at that GTO. That's sweet. That's nice. Is that 64, I believe? Got the side-by-side headlights, I think. Nice. You see all kind of stuff at Rod Run. And I see a really nice section of Mustangs. All right, y'all. This is a good opportunity to look at the difference between the 69 and 70. You tell me which is which? That's right. The red one is a 69. The gold one is a 70. So first off, first thing you notice is the front end there. You got the double headlights on the 69, you got the vents on the 70. You got the lights inside the grille on the 70. And then just the headlights in the grille on the 69. Now, look at these quarter panels. See the difference? See the vent right there on the 69? And it'll have that medallion there as well. 70, no medallion, no vent. Otherwise, these cars are nearly identical. Now, these, you got the different hoods. That 70 is a 351 with a shaker. Isn't that cool? Yeah. That's a pretty tough 70 right there. Magnum 500 wheels on the 70. Very nice. So this 69 Mustang is in process. Looking good. This is a 351. It's a pretty car. You got another 69, not a Mach 1. Check this out. Pontiac wagon, sounding good. 455. All right, y'all, check out this Mustang. Got some serious tires. You ain't got room for them? Just cut out the quarter panel. We'll make room. 472 cubic inch Mustang, 1969. That's a beast. It's a hoss. And it is for sale. 28K. Looks like Pretty cool. Got a roll cage in there too. Thunderbird, big old Thunderbird, 70 with a 429. Nice. Very nice. All kind of cool stuff here at Rod Run. We're at the Fall Rod Run in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Gorgeous 69 Camaro. Very, very nice. Here's that Pontiac we got driving by a second ago. Does that sound good? Nice. Check it out. Biscayne. Isn't that cool? It says 427. Huh? 390 horse, 427. What year is that? 68 maybe? See, I would have thought it was an Impala, but you know, I don't know the different trims on these. This one's Biscayne. Very cool car. Good size car. Cool square body Silverado. Check out those flames. Huh? Pretty cool. That one's 3,500, folks. No, it's not 3,500. I meant 35,000. You know what I'm talking about. I almost had that sold. No. There you go. 68 Mustang. Isn't that cool? Good looking Mustang. 38K. Little Mac. Crazy. That is crazy. This one ran the power tour. Good looking pickup. Nice. All right, y'all, we got so much more to come. If you enjoy what we're doing here, hit that like button. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and do that. And leave us a comment. We love to hear from you. Please, go ahead and share this video with somebody else. I just walked from Wendy's to Krispy Kreme. If you know anything about Pigeon Forge, that's a pretty good ways. But we're just getting started. So check out this next video right here.